Hey. You got it, girl, you got it.
This box is huge. Okay, now I can sing the song. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail. Yeah, this box is like super heavy. Let me zoom out just a little bit because I feel like I'm a little too close. All right, we were way too close, so I think we're good now. So I have been gifted with one of the Teddy Blake of New York bags, and I'm super duper excited. I'm sorry if you guys are getting the ring light glare in my glasses, but your girl has to have the glasses on for the next couple of days because I have to let my eyes rest from my contacts. So it's a whole thing. All right, let's go ahead and open this big old box. Hey, big old box. Hey, big old box. That's how I feel. Okay, this is like seriously humongous. I don't even know. Like, wow. Can y'all see? I almost should have did this on the couch. Because, oh, okay. Sweet baby Jesus, hold on. This is where I normally throw boxes and I throw them over to the side, but I just like almost knocked out my whole entire window. So, there we go. All right, so this is the Teddy Blake of New York. And I'm super excited about this bag. I've been seeing these bags kind of float around the internet for a while. And you guys are getting a chance to unbox it with me. I don't know what I did with my phone. Here we go. I have my phone that has my handy dandy notes in it from the company because I want to make sure that I give you guys all the, you know, all the real tea. Like, I want to give y'all I'm going to give y'all my opinion, but I want to make sure I share with you guys the things that should be shared in this video so you guys know all of the information. Because I was really intrigued. I thought maybe this was actually like a company from China. Like, don't judge me, but I definitely did. But they're actually located in New York. And these are designer handbags that are 100% leather and made in Italy. So if you guys aren't really like into the 100% leather thing, this may not be the video for you. But I'm into bags, so at this point, you know, my life, I don't really care how it's made. So look at this box. Like, this is my first, I would say, like, super designer bag. I mean, I have Kate Spade bags and Michael Kors, but I think on the level, like, this is on a whole new level right here, okay? Just by telling from the box, okay? So open the box. Oh, and it says designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. I'm here for that. That's really cute. I'm just trying not to mess up. Y'all know me, I be tore up this box. Okay, so I told y'all I haven't even looked at it. I just know which one that I think I ordered, so that's a thing. So it comes with this paperwork. Thank you for shopping with Teddy Blake. Ooh, I got a $50 store credit. Okay, girl, I got $50 store credit. I'm here for that. I also have a code for you guys at the end and down in the description box if you guys are interested in picking up any of these bags. Now, the thing that I really liked about the bag in general was that it was affordable luxury. And y'all know I'm all about being on a budget but having something nice. And I also want to save up for a LV bag, but right now that's just not in my plans. It's not something I see myself spending a whole lot of money on because I'm like that, y'all. I'm kind of frugal and I'll spend a whole lot of money on food before I spend money on a bag. Yeah, that's why I need to lose weight now. But anyways, so let's open this up here and see what's going on. What's going on? Baby, they got this thing guilt packed up, wrapped up, tied up, tangled up. Is this what I've been missing? Y'all know I be carrying my little Target bags. That's luxury to me. You should. You go to Target, you can drop a good $40 on the Target bag, honey. Yes, indeed. Where are my scissors? Where is something to cut? Because this stuff is on here. This tape. Okay. Here we go. Tear it up then. Alright. Alright. There we go. And still more packaging. Oh, hold on. Do y'all remember that? Medea. She's like, oh, okay, all right, Teddy Blake, come through. Look at this bag, y'all. What? Okay, let me keep going. Let me throw that paper over to the side. Okay, so it does come with one of the protector bags. I love when purses come with this so that I can store it and I won't have to worry about it. This is big enough to fit in one of my pillows. I definitely could make this a pillowcase. I mean, but who are me to adjust people's things? But this is so cute. You can just stick your bag right in there and have it protected. So I love this. I'm gonna make sure I keep this with this box. I'm gonna keep this box. I normally throw like boxes away, but I am not going to throw that one away. And this is so cute. It's an apple. Look at that. Tell my teacher friends this would be so adorable. Okay, so this is 7394 is the model number on there. And let me tell you exactly what style of bag this is. I don't remember which one I ordered. I really don't. I'm going through my messages, so hold on. Okay. This is the Vanessa. This is the Palmetto 12-inch in Bordeaux. That means it's in red. So I'm sorry I didn't have that information. I told y'all I'm like trying to make sure I get y'all together because I'm just so excited to open this up. I got it in the mail and I want to get into it. Okay, so how does this work here? This is holding some things together. I see that. So it's like a little strap here. Okay, I can bust it wide open. All right, so I open up the strap and then here is the inside of the bag. So let's see what, okay, it comes with another strap. So it does have the elongated strap so you can carry it longer on your body versus it just being like a arm bag. What's the right name for that? Tell me the right name for that down below because I would call it an arm bag all day. Like, does it fit on my arm? I'm not sure if that's an arm bag. I know that there's a shoulder bag, there is a crossbody, and then for me, this would be a arm bag or some sort of, oh, this looks really cute with what I got on today. Okay, okay, let me focus. Focus, Shell. Focus. Okay, so this is the strap, and it does have some opportunities for you to change the length with the different holes right there. So I think that is a great bonus to this particular bag because you can adjust the strap to work better so that it's more comfortable for you. So let me keep going. Oh, okay, and then here are the straps. Now, let me get the rest of this stuff out of here so we can really get into investigating this bag. I'm gonna have to give me a red, I don't know why I just want to sing red lipstick on. I should have put red lipstick on. But anyways, right in here are the little strap thingies, like the strap holders. So you can put your straps right there. I probably won't be using this as a strapped bag, only because your girl, yeah, I'll be carrying a whole lot. But we're about to see what all can fit in here, and I'm going to show you guys the length of the bag as well. So the overall theme of Teddy Blake that I got from talking with the lady, because y'all know I'm always on the search for a good planner bag, a good bag in general. I'm a planner girl that loves bags, okay? So I'm always on the hunt for a good bag. And one of the overall themes that I got, and this is why I decided to work with this company, not just for the bag, but because they have affordable luxury items. And I can't stress that enough that I am a baller on a budget, and I love to make sure that I, you know, have something that is of good quality, but at the same time isn't breaking the bank. And that's why I was saying I haven't purchased the LV yet. You guys probably won't see me with one of those for like a long time until this YouTube stuff starts paying more bills, okay? But I think that things like this are really good investments. 100% leather. The quality of the bag is good and it'll hold up forever. Now, I will say if you're purchasing a bag of good quality, you want to get a color that you can wear often, okay? You want to get something, I don't know why that was in the screen. You want to get something that you can wear more than just one time so that it doesn't just sit up and you get your money's worth. So would I recommend getting the Bordeaux bag if you're getting a bag that, like if red isn't your favorite color, then you might not want to get that bag. And if you're not matchy, by all means get the red bag. But they have several different colors of the Vanessa bag available. They have a tan, they have a pink, they have a black. I wanted to go with something a little bit different so that I could have something that sticks out because I have tons of black bags, but it was between this one and the tan, and so I ended up going with the Bordeaux bag. But that's something you want to think about when you're purchasing a bag. I know we go to our Targets and we go get our things, but by the time you end up buying 4 of those bags, you can get one good quality bag for, I think these, I'll have to put the prices down below how much this bag costs. And then plus, like I said, you get a discount. So, anyways, back to the bag at hand. Back to the matters at hand. Here is the bag, and I'm going to show you it with the straps on here. So I'm going to show you where, this is where it would wear, okay? If I just had it on my on my arm. This is my arm bag. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing body fine. Okay, and then this is where it would fit if I wanted to have these straps on there. So it would go about to the bottom of my leg. I don't really like bags right here. It's not as comfortable for me when it's right there. So I try not to have bags that are fitted right there. And plus, you guys know I'm extra scary, so I like to have my bag right here because it's a lot harder. Ooh, look, my arm fits up here. Sometimes my arm doesn't fit, so that's good. Look at that. My arm fits. Okay. So I'm extra scary, so I try not to have anything loose where somebody could walk up and like snatch it away from me. I know, I watched too many Lifetime movies growing up. Don't judge me. So anyways, this is the Teddy Blake bag. I am super excited to tote this bag, and I would like to try to pack it up. If you guys have time, let's pack up my Teddy Blake bag. And you know what? Let's go ahead. We'll do that in a, maybe we'll do that in another video. So this is just my overall unboxing overview of the bag, and then I'll get to packing it in another one. We'll do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure you tune in to part 2 of this video so you can see how much stuff really can fit into this Vanessa bag and if it's worth your coinage. So let's go ahead and end this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Mwah! KK, bye!